Hi, everybody. I am going to go through how to bless your space with Reiki. I think is especially important when you move into a new space. And we just moved into a new apartment. So I thought, no better time than now to show you guys, what I do to put in some high vibrational Reiki energy into a space. So I like to start off saying a prayer, connecting to the Reiki energy, and setting an intention for the blessing, for the energy that I want to imbue into the space itself. So we do that simply by putting our hands together in gasha or prayer position, resting the thumbs against the chest, closing your eyes, and taking a couple of deep breaths. Feel your feet grounded to the floor, calling in and connecting to Reiki, the divine source energy of the universe. Feel a line of white light from your head to your toe. Feel the warm tingling of Reiki between your hands. My intention is to put love, compassion, joy, abundance, creativity, peace, groundedness within every single space of this apartment, into all the walls and each one of the rooms. May the high vibrational qualities of Reiki be here now and in the future. And exhale. Now, I like to start off after that prayer and intention, starting off at the front door. And I like to put a blessing on the front door for anyone that walks into this space, into my space, that they be welcomed by love and joy and peace and serenity, so that when they walk in to my space, to my apartment, that they just feel just really calm and at peace and at joy, just like you're walking into this most magical place. Okay. I want people to feel good when they walk into my space. So, how I do that is if you're not a Reiki practitioner, you can still do this just by sending the intentions of love and kindness and whatever you want to evoke upon your guests and yourselves as you walk through your front door. Because I am a Reiki master, Reiki practitioner, I like to put the Reiki energy in. I usually use the power symbol on the door. So I will draw it and now you may feel like you want to use other symbols. Maybe you want to know you do all the symbols that you know. If that's what you feel drawn to do, you're more than welcome to do it. Remember, this is your practice and this is your blessing of your space. So after I'm done with the door and blessing the door with the intention of everyone that comes through my space, they find a very serene, warm, and welcoming space. I go through each room of the house. I start off here and so this is like our bathroom and my washer's going right now, so I won't go in there. But I would go in there. Here is our extra bedroom. I would do that. Here is our kitchen. But I'm going to go into our living room and show you what I usually do to bless the room. So what I do here is I will go to each wall in the room. So again, if you're not a Reiki practitioner, just send energy and love and high vibrations. If you are a Reiki practitioner at any level, you can just send Reiki, or if you are attuned to the symbols, whatever symbol is calling to you, you can do that. You want to be all of them. So do wall, the window really, but that would wall, head door, window. And there's a wall. I do the ceiling, and on that I do the floor. And again, bringing in, just like I did in that prayer, just bringing in those intentions and love and kindness and abundance within all the space that's within this house and this area. And that's the living room. I do it in the living room and the kitchen here are joined. So I do that. And then I would do my bedroom. And then if I wanted to do like different intentions that I wanted here with, I wanted to be joyous, kind, compassionate, just the relationship between me and my husband. And then they have the bathroom. I would do the bathroom as well. You can get really creative with this and the intentions that you want to set for each room if you like, or you can just do it really generic and just do the same intentions through each one. But I really like to do this in a new space because it sets the space to how I want it to be, because I want it to be full of love and kindness and compassion, high vibrational energy so that when I'm here, I'm more creative, I'm more loving, I'm more kind, that I have a sanctuary to come to. Oh, we are intimate minions, by the way. I have a sanctuary to be grounded in. And that whenever life has gone batshit crazy on the outside, I have a place here that I can find solitude. I can find peace, joy. I can connect to the divine. I can connect to Reiki. I can send all that out to other people needed. And I really feel like this overflows into every area of my life. So I really hope that helps. If you bless your space, whether it's an apartment, a home, maybe it's a vehicle, maybe it's an office space, but wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I'd love to hear how you're doing it too. So thanks for joining me, and peace, love, blessings, and lots of minion laughter.